Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at these BALEAF men's golf pants. These are super stretchy, super comfy, super soft. I really like the feel of these. They also look super nice. I got them in the gray color. The thing I like is that these have 5 pockets. You've got your traditional pockets on each side, but you've also got this zipper pocket right here to put your phone in. You've also got 2 pockets on the back here that also have zippers, so that's super nice. You can really keep your things secure. Lots of storage space to put tees in, to put maybe balls in, to put your phone, wallet, anything you're bringing with you, you could fit inside these pants. Again, super stretchy, super soft. I really like it. And it's got a zipper button right here. And yeah, length's perfect. Feels great around the waist. I can really move. I have a great range of motion with these, so I know it's not going to affect my playing or my performance at all. And yeah, they look nice. Highly recommend them. Thanks for watching.